Hello guys, in this video we will be hardwiring this PLC P1 Pro Dashcam in this Audi A6 2024 I guess. This is the fuse box. You remove this plastic piece, then this torque screw, and then we will remove this plastic panel. So the top 4 rows of this fuse box are constant power, and the bottom one, the last one, is with accessory power on. So this is the fuse we use for constant power, so it stays on even when the car is off. And this is the accessory power, so it only turns on when the car turns on. So right now it's off. We will turn the car on. Now there is a power in this fuse box, in this fuse. This is constant, and this is when the car is on. And for the ground, you can use any bare metal. I use this bolt. This is 10 mm bolt, or you remove it and put the ground wire. Then just run the wire along this weather stripping, along this headliner. We didn't use this fuse box because all the fuses in this fuse box are hot, so all the fuses stays on all the time. We used this one. Then you put back the plastic piece and on the panel and run the wire along this weather stripping, along this headliner, and then you install the hardwire cable to the dash cam. For the back camera, again just run the wire along the headliner and then just weather stripping, and then you connect it to the back camera. It's right there. And all the excess wire you can put it in that behind that panel. I'll show you in a second. You just put all the excess wire behind this panel. Now when you will turn off your car, the camera will go into the parking mode. I'll show you in a second. So when you turn off the car,
Time-lapse recording started.
The camera will go into the parking mode. So now it's in the parking mode. After some time, the screen will turn black like this. But if you see here, the light is still blinking. So it has 2 parking modes. Time lapse, 1 frame per second. You can increase the frames, and second one is impact. When it detects impact, it's gonna lock that video. So yeah, this is how you install, and this was the PLC P1 Duo, I guess. Yeah, P1 Pro Dashcam from PLC. Thank you for watching the video.